Alright guys, so I just want to tell you all about something that I fixed today. It is my Ford freaking truck. It always breaking down on me, and today it was having issues starting. I went out to go run, and after the run it just would not start. It would turn over, but it wouldn't start, and I was like, man, I don't know what's going on. The battery, it sounded like the battery was fine because it was turning over fine. Everything was working. And then I just got it towed because I didn't know what to do. I checked the number 27 fuse like it says on all the forums and everything, and it looked fine. So I was like, man, something else is wrong with it. It might be my motor, it could be low compression, maybe I have a head gasket issue. But at the end of the day, I was looking some more and I saw that somebody changed out their fuel control module. So it's this thing right over here, and let me show you where it is located. It's located here underneath the spare tire, or right over the spare tire. So let me try to get anything. It's already a crappy day. I'm so dirty and wet. So if you guys see this right here, so this is the driver's side tire, and I had to put down the spare in order to get to this area. This is the fuel module, whatever it is, and you just have to take out two 10mm bolts. If you guys see that, there's two 10mm bolts on either side. It's gonna take that out and then replace it. I just got this at AutoZone, or one of the auto parts. Just switch that out, and now the car is working just fine. So basically, I just replaced this part. I thought it was going to be the fuel pump, but it didn't end up being the fuel pump. So that's all I had to replace right there. You see over here, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the engine. Where's my key? Boom, the car starts right up. Beautiful. Good, easy fix. Didn't have to pay anybody a bunch of money to try to diagnose it. Now my truck is working again. Hopefully it stays working for longer and longer. I guys, hope this helped y'all. If it didn't, sorry. If it did, awesome. Peace.